Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to my April 27th. I don't know what day I'm on. I just know today is April 27th. I'm going in to stayed at mile 448 last night. There's a little campsite there by a stream. And so I stayed there. It was really cold last night. The next 2 nights are supposed to be even colder up here. I'm so glad I didn't send my gloves home because my hands are so cold. I think I'm in Grayson Highland. I'm getting close to Grayson Highland State Park anyway. I know I'm going over those highlands today. My feet are numb. It's so funny. Your feet get numb, you hike. Your hands get numb, so you hike so you can warm up. And your body, each, limb slowly warms up. And man, this morning my foot itself had warmed up, but not my toes. And I mean, they're coming alive now, but well, that was funny. It felt like 3 of my toes were swollen all up. My hands are trying to warm up, but they still haven't gotten there yet. There's a certain feeling that they get when they're when they are in the process of warming up. And that hurts as that blood is flowing in there again. Man, you talking about painful? Whew. It hurts. And then that scar tissue where I got my surgery on my foot. Man, that hurts when you step on it in the morning. It's so sensitive. It gets numb throughout the day and you don't really feel it anymore, but man. Alright, I gotta walk these stairs. Get my morning started. I heard there was trail magic at the road. It's a rumor, but we'll see. Could deal with some trail magic. Some hot coffee would be nice. Oh. Okay. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Going to go see them ponies. Check this out, baby. We could come here and have a picnic. I mean, if the bugs didn't eat us up. It's really beautiful through here, folks. I haven't done this side of it, of coming up towards Mount Rogers, but I've done the other side from Grayson Highlands, and it's just gorgeous through here. And we're gonna have a beautiful day to walk across it, so I'm sure I'll see some beautiful stuff that I want to show you guys. So you might just have to deal with me today. Look at this, you guys. You can see the spots people have cleared out for farmland. Buzzard Rock. windy. Well, I just wanted you guys to see that. Look at this. Oh, wow. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Wonder what that big thing over there is. Interesting. My hat won't stay on. Look, y'all, I was going to the sign that said 500.1, but haha, look. Dun 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 dun. I'm officially crossing mile 500. Yeah! Yeah, look at my head. It's because my hat blew off. Hold on. Yay for me. Oh, yeah. And so, oh, yeah. So what I did is I packed myself out a beer and to celebrate this moment. So I'm about to take my pack off and sit really quickly and drink a beer and make a toast to Pathfinder, because if it weren't for her, I don't know if I'd be here, you know? I don't know if I knew I would still be a hiker. Definitely would be still be day hiking and stuff, but I don't know that I would be a thru hiker if it weren't for her. So we're gonna toast. We're gonna taste her. Look, I look like Granny Gatewood. Look like I'm going, howdy, partner. So I feel like I got a cowboy hat on. Alright. So, you see, got trail magic this morning, and they gave me a beer. And I packed out the champagne of beer, folks. The champagne of beers. Miller High Life. I need you guys to understand. I don't know when I have drunk a Miller High Life. It's been a long, long time. But we about to drink one. In honor of Pathfinder. We about to sit here. Oh, on this rock. And we about to make a toast to her. Y'all don't laugh at me because I can never open these. My wife has to open them for me all the time. She sits and watches me go do this, watch. She sits and watches me do this. And eventually after I try a little bit and it don't work, I'm over here trying to find something to bend the little lid, the little thing to tap up. And she finally gets tired of me trying to find something to bend it up. And she says, here, baby. Oh. Yeah, I thought about shaking it, but I didn't even need to. It's been shook up all day long, being dropped it in that pack. Well, here is the Pathfinder, and to her making it, that I know 500 miles, because I met her down on a few miles on up north. So I know she made it here. So here's to you, Pathfinder. This Miller's for you. And guess what? Spears to me. Because I just hiked 500 miles. Okay. Alright. Time for me to take a picture of myself and let y'all go. So look, you guys. I have to cross over that. I remember this because I have a picture of me and Callie going over that. And it looks really cool. Like you think, you know, your dog can't do this. My Chihuahua did this. And she, nor me, had ever been on the Appalachian Trail before. And we did this. So, let's see if I can take you guys up here. You thought, don't it look like you're going up like it looks like a mountain, you know? Like, climb every mountain. Like you so shoot a movie. I don't even know where I'm supposed to go. That's sad, ain't it? I know I'm supposed to go over that little spot. Ooh, I see, look, there's a blaze. So the question is, okay, there's one right in front of me. I see one. You thought I was about to be... Hey, Tonya, I bet you thought I was about to climb a mountain to be like at the very top of a mountain, did you? That's what it looks like. And I can remember, like the first time that I had to go across that, man, I felt so intimidated. Like, this whole hike was just fascinating to me. That you could just walk over rocks. And, you know, and now I go over it, and it's like, even I thought it was going to be bigger than that. I remembered it being bigger than that. That's what's so funny about it. Like I'm just always was laughing because, oh, there goes the trail that way. Because, you know, I thought it was bigger. And see, when we were on our way back, we didn't have to follow the white blazes. We followed Callie. She knew exactly which way to go. We took her off that leash. And she was gone. But she wasn't gone. But like, it was funny because she knew to stay right there with me. But she showed us which direction to go. And I have to go there. I have to walk down that little path there and over that and across that mountain and to the ponies I go. This is also why I haven't recorded a lot today, is because of the ponies. I have spotted my first pony. He's behind that big tree right there. He walked behind that tree. Let me see if wait till I get close. Oh look, you guys, look. That's the second one I spotted. Hi, pony. Oh, it's a whole bunch of ponies. Look, you guys, look at it. Look at it playing. Hi, ponies. Look, that's the first one I spotted going over there. Oh, look. Get the pony. The first ponies. They ain't even fazed by me. Hi, Mr. Pony. How are you doing? You're not supposed to play with them, so. Oh, Lord. That's a boy pony. Boy, put that thing away. God. We don't want to take a picture of that. Okay, yeah, we do. Yes. We're going to put you on YouTube. How do you feel about it? Put that thing away, boy. I was not ready for that today, folks. I act like a little kid. I can feel my face turn. I weren't ready for that, folks. I'm not editing it out. So this is the section that I met Pathfinder on last year, or 4 years ago, not my path. And she was coming down, and she's going the way I'm going. And we told her to come on down. And she told us she's trying to figure out how to get her and her pack down, because her legs were so tired from coming down what she had already been over. And I'm telling you right now, my legs are screaming. They're so tired. And she had gotten this far, and she hadn't seen any ponies yet. That day they were all down low. And see this little section here? This is what I carried her pack over. This is a section of the AT where I decided I could do this. Over all these rocks. This is the part of the Appalachian Trail that I walked. And, or hiked. And this is what I had my first taste of the Appalachian Trail being like. So, you guys, I'm be honest with you. I already knew I wasn't ever getting a little walking path. This is what I had to go across. Look at these boulders, nothing but boulders. Mark, this was my first taste of AT. And this is what made me decide that I wanted to do it. As you know, I thought, wow, how tough is this without a pack? I wonder how rough it's going to be with a pack. Is it better? Well, my right toe popped out of place twice that day. And I had to put it back in so I could walk. And it was excruciating pain. And I thought to myself, well, if you're going to do this, you sure can't do it with your toe popping out every day. And so, off I went to find a podiatrist in September. I had surgery. Ooh. Have to get down there somehow. See my white blazes. Guess I go over this.